Welcome dreamers and achievers. Today, we're here to talk about an opportunity that could change your life. The Think Big Scholarship. This incredible program is brought to you by the University of Bristol, a globally recognized institution that's ranked 55th in the world and 9th in the UK. Known for its high-quality research and teaching standards, Bristol is an ideal launchpad for your academic journey. The Think Big Scholarship is a beacon of hope for international students, setting the stage for their success in various fields, excluding medicine, dentistry, and veterinary medicine. With a generous budget of £500,000, this scholarship program aims to support overseas students in achieving their dreams. Remember, this is more than just a scholarship. It's a golden ticket to a world-class education, a thriving arts scene, and a vibrant alternative culture that only Bristol can offer. Stay tuned to discover how the Think Big Scholarship can open your world to endless possibilities.
Welcome to this YouTube channel. We are here to help you find and win amazing scholarships and land your dream international job. Whether you're a student looking to fund your education or a young professional aiming to launch your career abroad, you're in the right place. On this channel, we open doors to life-changing opportunities that many people don't even know exist. Stay tuned until the end of this video. We will share details on this scholarship and how you can maximize your chances of getting it. We will also provide links to their website and application, so don't miss out.
The Think Big Scholarship is not just any scholarship, it's a life-changing opportunity. This initiative is a beacon of hope for international students, launched by the University of Bristol in the United Kingdom. Starting from the academic year 2024 to 2025, this scholarship program aims to support overseas students pursuing undergraduate or postgraduate degrees in a variety of fields, with the exception of medicine, dentistry, and veterinary medicine. The Think Big Scholarship has a generous budget of £500,000, demonstrating the university's commitment to fostering global educational excellence. Bristol University, renowned for its high teaching and research standards, offers these scholarships as tuition fee waivers, making quality education more accessible to international students. This scholarship is more than just a financial aid program. It's a platform for students to broaden their horizons, develop their skills, and make a positive impact on a global scale. This scholarship not only supports your education but also empowers you to make a global impact. The benefits of the Think Big Scholarship extend far beyond financial support. Yes, it's true, the financial backing provided by the scholarship is a significant advantage, freeing you from the burden of tuition fees. But the benefits don't stop there. The Think Big Scholarship is more than just a fiscal aid, it's a gateway to a community of like-minded individuals. As a recipient, you become part of an exclusive network comprised of past winners, generous donors, and accomplished academics. This community acts as a powerful resource, providing you with opportunities to network, collaborate, and learn from individuals who share your passion for making a positive impact through education. Imagine the benefits of such a community. The shared experiences, the wisdom, the guidance, and the camaraderie. It's like having a personal cheer squad comprised of people who have walked the path you're embarking on, and who are invested in your success. Furthermore, being a Think Big Scholar means being associated with a scholarship that values and encourages positive impact through education. It's a recognition that can open doors, spark conversations, and lay the foundation for a successful career. In essence, the Think Big Scholarship is more than a ticket to a world-class education at the University of Bristol. It's an invitation to join a community of achievers, a badge of honor that sets you apart, and a stepping stone towards making a meaningful difference in the world. The Think Big Scholarship is your springboard to personal and professional growth. To stand a chance at this incredible opportunity, there are certain criteria you need to meet. Let's delve into what these are. First and foremost, the Think Big Scholarship is open to international students, that is, those hailing from outside the UK. So if you're watching this from anywhere other than the United Kingdom, you're already off to a great start. Next, you must be seeking full-time undergraduate or postgraduate study at the University of Bristol, starting in September 2024. This scholarship is available for a wide range of study fields, but do note that medicine, dentistry, and veterinary medicine are not included in this program. You'll also need to have a conditional or final offer letter from Bristol. This means that you've applied and have been either accepted or conditionally accepted to study at the university. Now here's a crucial point. If you're already receiving full tuition coverage from other scholarships, you won't be preferred for the Think Big scholarship. This is designed to extend support to students who need it the most, so it's important that it goes to those without full funding already in place. Lastly, if you've been a recipient of the Think Big scholarship in the past, you're not eligible to reapply. This is to ensure that more students get the opportunity to benefit from this generous funding. Meeting these criteria brings you one step closer to your dream. Mark your calendars because these dates are your stepping stones to success. The Think Big Scholarship for the 2024 to 2025 academic year is a golden ticket you don't want to miss. Aspiring scholars should be aware that the application process commences in early 2024. Keep in mind that it's crucial to have your application and all supporting documents ready to submit online before the deadline. And when is that, you ask? The deadline to apply for the Think Big Scholarship is typically in the mid-year, but it's always best to check the University of Bristol's official website for the most accurate information. Remember, the early bird catches the worm, so don't delay in preparing your application. The sooner you apply, the sooner you may find yourself joining the ranks of the successful Think Big scholars. Remember, a missed deadline is a missed opportunity. Applying for the Think Big scholarship requires careful planning and organization. So let's dive right into the documents and application procedure you'll need to navigate this process. First, the documents. To apply, you'll need to have a conditional or final offer letter from the University of Bristol. This means you should have already applied for your desired course and received an offer of admission, whether it's contingent on certain conditions or it's a firm offer. Next, you'll need to prepare your supporting documents. These can include academic transcripts, letters of recommendation, or other materials that demonstrate your qualifications and dedication to your chosen field of study. Remember, the Think Big Scholarship is a highly competitive program, so you'll want to ensure your supporting documents highlight your strengths and achievements. Now, on to selecting a specific Think Big award. The Think Big Scholarship program offers a variety of awards, each tailored to different fields of study, excluding medicine, dentistry, and veterinary medicine. Make sure to carefully review the options and select the award that best aligns with your academic and career goals. Finally, the application procedure. All applications for the Think Big Scholarship must be submitted online. You'll need to complete the application form, attach your supporting documents, and submit your application by the specified deadline. It's important to take your time and double-check all the information you provide. Accuracy and attention to detail can make a big difference in the outcome of your application. Remember, if you're already receiving full tuition coverage from another scholarship, you may not be the preferred candidate for the Think Big Scholarship. Also, previous recipients of the Think Big Scholarship are not eligible to reapply. With these steps, you're well on your way to securing the Think Big Scholarship.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud
The Think Big Scholarship is more than just financial aid. It's a chance to make a difference. Let's take a moment to recap. The University of Bristol, ranked among the top universities worldwide, is offering the Think Big Scholarships for the academic year 2024 to 2025. This generous program, with a budget of £500,000, aims to support international students in various fields, apart from medicine, dentistry, and veterinary medicine. Remember, the scholarships are tuition fee waivers, and some don't even require an IELTS score. The eligibility criteria are straightforward. You must be a non-UK student seeking full-time undergraduate or postgraduate study at Bristol from September 2024. Current students who already have full tuition coverage from other scholarships are not preferred, and previous recipients of the Think Big Scholarship cannot reapply. So, gather your application and supporting documents and submit them online. You're not just applying for a scholarship, you're joining a community of past winners, donors, and academics ready to support you in making a positive impact through education. The Think Big Scholarship is your ticket to a world of opportunities, so dream big, think big, and achieve big.